Welcome to classes by Inspire Physics. Today we have a numerical problem from motion in a straight line for 11th standard. The question is, a drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, followed again by 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, and so on. Each step is 1 meter long and requires 1 second. Plot the position time graph for this motion. And also we need to determine graphically how long he takes to fall in a pit 13 meter away from start. Okay, we need to plot a position time graph. So along x-axis we can take time. So here we have time along the x-axis, and in y-axis we have position x. Okay, so 5 steps he walked forward, then 3 steps he walked backward. So starting from here, he is taking 5 steps forward. It takes a time 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, he reaches here. This is his position. He reaches here in 5 seconds. So in 5 seconds, he travels 5 steps, means 5 meters. Now in the next 3 seconds, from 5 to 8, he is walking backward. 3 steps backward means 3 meters backward. So from 5, he walks 3 meters backward. From 5, 1 meter back, 2 meter, 3 meter back. He reaches here after 5 seconds. So he reaches at a position 2 meters after 3 more seconds. So this is his position now. Okay, position time graph. Now again in 5 seconds, he walks 5 meters forward, where he will reach. Now in 5 seconds, from 2 meters he walks 5 meters forward, means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here he advances forward and reaches at a position 7 meters, and he takes 5 seconds. So in 13 seconds, he is at a position 7 meters. Okay, now we can join these points. So using a scale, we join these points. So starting from 0, he initially travels to 5 meters, then comes back, means he is at a position 2 meters after 3 seconds. Again after 5 seconds, he is at a position 7 meters. From 2, we need to add 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is at a position 7 meters. Okay, this is his position after 5 more seconds. Now what happens? Again he comes back 3 steps. So from 7 he comes back, that is 6, 5, 4. He is at a position 4. How much time he takes? 3 steps backward, he takes 3 seconds. So after 16 seconds, he is here. Now this is his position. So in 16 seconds, he has come back to the position 4, means 4 meters from the starting point. Okay. Now what happens is he is again moving forward. Again in next 5 seconds, he walks 5 meters. So in 5 seconds, from 4, he takes 5 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 4, this is position now in 16 seconds. In 21 seconds, means from 16 to 5 seconds, from 4 he advances 5 steps forward. From 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he is at a position now. Okay. Now he is at a position now that we will mark. So after 21 seconds, he is at a position that is there is 9 meter forward, 9 meter from the starting point. Now what happens? Again he walks backward, 3 steps backward. From 9, 3 steps backward means 8, 7, 6. In 3 seconds, after 3 more seconds, he is at this position. He has a position. Now he has come back, means in total 24 seconds. After traveling for 24 seconds, he has reached back at the position 6 meter. Again in 5 seconds, he advanced 5 steps forward. From position number 6, he advanced 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is at a position 11 meter. So in 29 seconds, he has reached at 11 meters. Again we join these points. So we are joining these points. Now in 3 seconds he comes back 3 step backward. From 11 we need to come back 3 step, 1 2 3. He reaches at 8 meters from the starting position in 3 seconds. Means 32 total 32 seconds. He is at a position 8 meters. Okay, again we will join these 2 points. Now what happens is again he start to move forward. He starts to move forward in 5 seconds. He starts for he moves 5 steps forward. Now what is his present position? This is present position. From 8 he takes 5 steps. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He reaches at a point that is 13 meters away. 13 meters away from the starting position. So this is his position. Now at 13 meters away from the starting position, what is there? There is a small pit. So if we mark a pit here, at 13 meters here we have there's a pit, and in that pit he falls. So how much time he has taken totally? He has taken 37 seconds totally to fall in the pit. Okay, after 37 seconds he fall in the pit. 5 step forward, 3 step backward. Again 5 step forward, 3 step backward. 5 step forward, 3 step backward. 5 step forward, 3 step backward. 5 step forward. He reaches at a distance of 13 meters from the starting position. There is a pit and he is falling on the pit. What's the total time taken? Now 37 seconds is the total time taken. In a time of 37 seconds, he is falling in a pit 30 meters away from the starting point. So what's the time taken? We can write after a time 37 seconds. 37 seconds, he is falling in a pit. The pit is at a distance of 13 meters from the starting. Here what we have done is, now here this is 5 second, now 3 second, total 8 second, again 5 second, 3 second, 5 second, 3 second, 5 second, 3 second and 5 second. Now each step is 1 meter. This is 1 meter, then 2 meter, 3, 4 up to 13 meters. So in this manner we have plotted the graph, and we have seen that the total time taken for the person to fall in a pit 13 meters away from the starting point is 37 seconds. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Thank you.